This video is brought to you by Current Book. Have you thought about using an AI tool to generate awesome, personalized, creative coloring pages like this? Well, today I'm going to introduce this Current Book AI that's available on Apple Store and on the website. Just download the app, do a quick sign up, and then you're good to go. It has simple features like converting image to color and text to color. So right now I'm going to show you the gallery inside what it has in place for this app. These are all the pre-created images that you can download and then link to printer to print out for coloring. And now I'm going to bring you over to the website to show you what are some of the features that can be found over there. So this is the homepage of the website, and you can start for free and no credit card is required. I love the feature that you can convert your own photos from your phone gallery and then turn them into coloring pages. How about compiling all these coloring pages into album? Surprise your friends and family with this memorable gift. And I'm sure they'll like it. You can even turn your pet portraits into coloring pages that is great for hobby and pastime. At the point of this filming, there are over 5,000 plus ready available coloring pages for you to download. And this website provides you so many themes that you can download. For example, the Marvel theme and Disney, for example. You can also download a very specific theme by just typing out and then click search. Let's find out what's inside for this Iron Man theme. So there are about 61 Iron Man theme that is printable. Wow, and I'm really impressed by the quality of those line words and details. The current pages come with different levels of difficulties, for example, from easy, regular to advanced. And these are all free access with some limitation. You may also wish to consider their subscription plan that cater to your different needs. Once you sign up for the yearly plan, you will be able to enjoy 30% discount. And these are all the price plans that you may wish to check it out. And what's even better is, once you upgrade to a higher plan, you will be able to use it as commercial use to help you to generate incomes. You can sell it on Amazon or even on your own website. And now I'm going to show you a fun feature on how to turn on the text into coloring, and this is only applicable to those subscription plans. So now I'm writing something like Mario wearing vampire robe and dancing with Peach in the forest with dim light. So this is how it turns out to be like. And now it is ready to send for print. I saved this file in PDF format and in grayscale. The activity is not completed without the current process. And now I'm going to show you my way of how I approach this advanced stage coloring. And this coloring process is just in time to celebrate Valentine's Day. And to make it more interesting, I'm going to give it a little twist by having this Mario and Peach in Disney style. And with this, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. See you soon.